Hi there. Tired of trying to run modern automation scripts only to get hit with annoying environment errors on your PC? Today, we are deploying a fully optimized Python environment to give you raw programming power and script execution capabilities for zero cost. Let's get it ready. Head straight down to the description area below and download the core interpreter pack directly from our website. Launch this first set of files to let the script map out your main execution directory and structure the baseline language paths. Immediately after the baseline finishes, a secondary setup console will automatically launch on your screen. Just sit back and let this native wizard automatically inject the terminal variables and map out the package manager modules. Now, open up your command prompt or terminal window to verify that the active environment is responsive. Type in the core version command to ensure that the backend interpreter and global path variables register with zero lag. Your high-speed coding framework is completely installed, configured, and ready to deploy your scripts. Head over to our website right now to claim your installation files and start coding your own projects like a boss.